In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove accessories on your Roblox avatar. So if you look at my avatar here, you can see I added quite a number of accessories such as a necklace, and also we have these shades. So if you like to make some changes, then follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to remove or to make changes on your accessories, go ahead and log into your Roblox account, and once you are here, head to your avatar. So if you tap on your avatar here, you should be able to see the accessories that you had added. So for my case, to change or remove these accessories, head over to this bar here and choose accessories. Now under accessories, go ahead and decide which accessories you want to remove. For instance, I want to remove this necklace. So I'll go to the body part, which is neck, and then tap on it. And here you should see all the neck accessories that you added here. So to remove any, just go ahead and uncheck this and the accessory will be removed. So that's how you can remove or change any accessories. If you want to add any, you can also go ahead and add. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.